Lessons from Nature by Morrow. I watch the waves crashing, breaking on the shore, all their anger dispensed on the ocean's floor. I look at the sky, so blue, sun shining so bright, spreading heat and happiness with its blinding light. Long blades of grass swaying in the gentle breeze, dancing in rhythm with so much ease. Look up at the trees, hearing the singing of the birds, happily chirping, singing at ease without words. Sitting here, holding my knees to my chest, watching and hearing nature at its best. I ponder how nature could get it so right when we have let nature's lessons get so out of sight. We hold our anger, let our happiness slip away, making our survival a struggle each and every day. We have forgotten the little things that mean so much, like the laughter, the freedom, and someone's loving touch. If only I could make people stop, watch and listen to nature's tale, we could all sit back happily and our world would not be so frail. In each other's existence, in harmony, we could all survive. I'm sure, like the sun, wind, tree, and birds, our lives we could revive. If only we let nature take its course in each and every one of us each day and night. As I sit and ponder how nature got it so right and we lost all sight.